Congratulations, rank 50, Elime Alconga. Congratulations, rank 49, Maricel Aulo. Congratulations, rank 48, Mary Ann Torres. Congratulations, rank 47, Philip Bourbon. Congratulations, rank 46, Neil Tingson. Congratulations, rank 45, Joanne Michelle Daza. Congratulations, rank 44, Jovin Cobrado. Congratulations, rank 43, Dolores Cabigan. Congratulations, rank 42, Ana May Rivas. Congratulations, rank 41, Richelle Tiria. Congratulations, rank 40, Marites Plata. Congratulations, rank 39, Mary Pineda. Congratulations, rank 38, Selma Magango. Congratulations, rank 37, Pedro Del Rosario. Congratulations, rank 36, Fedemay Tupas. Congratulations, rank 35, Rosalie Quillo. Congratulations, rank 34, Milagros Tagapan. Congratulations, rank 33, Ferdinand Castañeda. Congratulations, rank 32, Cyril Parenas. Congratulations, rank 31, Rolsan Bisda. Congratulations, rank 30, Venus De Rosas. Congratulations, rank 29, Peladio Olasiman III. Congratulations, rank 28, Evelyn Suico. Congratulations, rank 27, Jasril Jan Supeda. Congratulations, rank 26, Dave Bermudo. Congratulations, rank 25, Charmaine Solinap. Congratulations, rank 24, Admar Sakyor. Congratulations, rank 23, Arlene Canicula. Congratulations, rank 22, Melissa Pasqua. Congratulations, rank 21, Dante Quiñones. Congratulations, rank 20, Emily Merle. Congratulations, rank 19, Ramon Venegas. Congratulations, rank 18, Jerry Diaz. Congratulations, rank 19, Ramon Venegas. Congratulations! Rank 18, Jerry Diaz. Congratulations! Rank 17, Adriano Melejor. Congratulations! Rank 16, Cesar Martinez Jr. Congratulations! Rank 15, Jobert Templo. Congratulations! Rank 14, Abraham Sakyor. Congratulations! Rank 13, Erickson Baterina. Congratulations! Rank 12, Emberson Baguio. Congratulations! Rank 11, Larry Canuto. Congratulations! Rank 10, Elkie Fernandez for achieving 614 pairs. Congratulations! Rank 9, Enzo Espinoza for achieving 663 pairs. Congratulations! Rank 8, Junric Lapini for achieving 806 pairs. Congratulations! Rank 7, Romnick Karaan for achieving 985 pairs. Congratulations! Rank 6, Arthur Salem for achieving 1,001 pairs. Congratulations! Rank 5, Roslyn Quinones for achieving 1,011 pairs. Congratulations! Rank 4, Mary Jean Gever for achieving 1,013 pairs. Congratulations! Rank 3, Nerissa Aquino for achieving 1,235 pairs. Congratulations! Rank 2, Warren Ariola for achieving 1,383 pairs. Congratulations! Rank 1, Dhang Lorenzo for achieving 3,349 pairs. Congratulations! Ardeur Sports Car Achiever Rank 6, Adrian Dizo. Congratulations! Rank 5, Ardeur Sports Car Achiever Stella Garcia. Congratulations! Ardeur Sports Car Achiever Rank 4, Jasper Mendoza. Congratulations! Ardeur Sports Car Achiever Rank 3, CJ Asuncion. Congratulations! Ardeur Sports Car Achiever Rank 2, Robert Novales. Congratulations! Ardeur Sports Car Achiever Rank 1, Oki Santos. Congratulations! Rank 5 Town Center, Anime Rivas from Yag-Ao, Iloilo. Congratulations! Rank 4 Town Center, Alejandro Macaranas from Langla, Nueva Ecija. Congratulations! Rank 3 Town Center, Juvie Degamo from Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte. Congratulations, Rank 2, Town Center. Dhang Lorenzo from Santa Barbara, Iloilo. Congratulations, Rank 1, Town Center. Arlene Canicola from San Rafael, Iloilo. Congratulations, Rank 5, City Boutique. Beverly Kogal from Tarlac City, Tarlac. Congratulations, Rank 4, City Boutique. Leslie Giselle Chiong from Dipolog City, Zamboanga del Norte. Congratulations, Rank 3, City Boutique. Joan Del Rosario from Numancia, Aklan. Congratulations, Rank 2, City Boutique. Lorely Galvez from GMA Cavite. Congratulations, Rank 1, City Boutique. Annie Rose Salem from Pasig City, Iloilo. Congratulations, Top 5 Franchise Owner, Perlita Santos from Nueva Ecija. Congratulations, Top 4 Franchise Owner, Sara Manabat from Tarlac. Congratulations, Top 3 Franchise Owner, Jasper Mendoza from Negros Island Region. Congratulations, Top 2 Franchise Owner, Maricar Dean from Rizal Province. Congratulations, Top 1 Franchise Owner, Zita Chodosyo from Panay Island.